Hello, today I'll tell you about the daily care for the E65 coffee machine. Overall, it has 3 daily maintenance routines. The milk system once a day, the coffee system once a week, and descaling once a month. All daily maintenance options are found under the icon on the left side of the machine. We're going to click on the icon, and then here we click Complete. In the cleaning section, you'll find 2 of our essential cleaning routines. The milk system cleaning, which needs to be done daily, and the coffee system cleaning, which is performed once a week, and under descaling, there's the descaling process, which is done once a month. We will now proceed to go through all 3 of these programs. The milk system must be cleaned once a day, even if only a single milk-based beverage has been prepared. To clean the milk system, you will need 10 milliliters of milk system cleaning solution, any type of container, and 200 milliliters of clean water. So, to correctly set up the milk system's cleaning, we press Start. Press Confirm. The coffee machine is asking to clean the used coffee grounds container. If it is full, then we need to empty it out. But first, we need to follow the instructions displayed on the screen, then carefully remove the tube from the milk carton and place it into our pre-prepared cleaning solution. And we press Next. The coffee machine has now thoroughly rinsed the milk system using a chemical solution. We then proceed to pour out all of the remaining liquid and subsequently refill the tank with fresh, clean water. We carefully place the tube into the clean water. And we simply press Confirm. When the cleaning procedure has concluded, we then reinsert the milk tube into the milk storage tank. The next step in daily maintenance is cleaning the coffee system using a tablet. Brew unit cleaning with tablet. We press Start, then we press Confirm. Make sure to empty the water tank if it's full, and then insert the cleaning tablet into its designated slot. Once the tablet is inserted, press Confirm, and the coffee machine will clean itself for 12 minutes. Once it's clean, all drinks will be available for brewing again. No further action is required. The third essential daily maintenance routine is descaling, which should be performed once a month. For the descaling process, you will require a descaling agent, specifically 50 milliliters, and 1 liter of pure, clean water. Now we are going to activate the descaling function. Please press Confirm. We clean the designated water tank if necessary. Into the water tank, we pour 1 liter of water and 50 milliliters of descaling solution. Then press Next. Again Next. We are now going to place the milk strainer into the water tank, and we continue forward. At this point, the coffee machine will clean itself for 20 minutes. And after those 20 minutes, it will prompt you to rinse the water tank and then refill it with 1 liter of fresh, clean water. We do that, and at that moment, the coffee machine will be fully cleaned. Here are some practical tips for the daily use of your coffee machine. Make sure to clean the drip tray exactly when the machine requests it. We empty it through the front. When you have emptied the water tank or the coffee grounds container, the coffee machine will display a message on the screen asking for confirmation that this task has been completed. At that point, please press Confirm. If the coffee machine is not frothing milk properly and cleaning the milk system doesn't help, then I recommend disassembling the milk frother system and rinsing it thoroughly under running water. The coffee machine's bean container holds 1 kilogram, but I advise you to only use coffee that will be consumed in the near future, so it can remain fresh and aromatic for a long time. The better you look after your coffee machine, the more enjoyable the coffee will be.